Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Learning Pen. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about what is data compression, what are the techniques that are used in data compression. So without wasting any further time, let's start. Actually, data compression is a technique that is used to reduce the size of your file. The file can be anything, it can be in any format. For example, it can be a video file, it can be an audio file, it can be an image file, and it can be any file as well. A document as well can be compressed. So there are categories of data compression also, but you should also know about how to compress the data and what are the techniques that are used in order to compress the data. So basically there are two types. First is uncompressed data and the second one is compressed data. Uncompressed data is the data that cannot be compressed. The file format will not be compressed at all. And the second one, which is compressed data, is that data which can be data file that can be compressed. For example, you can compress an image file. A video file can also be compressed. There are a lot of software that I will discuss later, which are used to compress your data, compress your file which you are using. Actually, I'm speaking in English. I make sure in my next videos I will also speak in Hindi as well. ओके सो जो दो कैटेगरीज डेटा कंप्रेशन के अंदर होती हैं दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आर लॉसलेस एंड लॉसी कंप्रेशन. लॉसलेस वो कंप्रेशन टेक्निक होती है जिसमें कोई लॉस नहीं होता. हालांकि वी कैन से इसमें देर इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ सम डेटा इन द फाइल, बट दैट इज़ नॉट सीन, दैट इज़ नॉट विजिबल टू द यूजर, दैट इज़ नॉट विजिबल something. There is minimal change in your data file. And when it comes to talking about lossy compression, lossy means there is loss of data, there is loss of bits of information. जो data होता है वो bits में store किया जाता है, binary digits में, 0 1s में, और वो digits जो होते हैं वो loss कर जाते हैं when we talk about lossy compression. यानी कि वो loss हो जाते हैं वो बिट्स, दैट्स वाई उन्हें लॉसी कंप्रेशन कहा जाता है. इसकी कुछ एग्जांपल्स होंगी. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक अ JPEG इमेज और any such type of video files, and for example MP3, JPEG images and MP4 वीडियोज़ एज वेल. आप वीडियोज़ को भी कंप्रेस कर सकते हो. तो ये दो कैटेगरीज होती हैं जो बेसिकली इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो दैट what is data compression as well as the categories of data compression, so the two were lossless and lossy compression. Now for example you have a 2 MB or you can say 2 GB of a file that you want to compress to some MBs like 770 MB. What can you do now? What is the technique that is used to compress? Actually बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स होते हैं जो इस टेक्निक को यूज़ करते हैं. behind what is the technique of data compression is that, so basically the technique is that the input file or the source file is given to the encoder और देर इज़ एन एनकोडिंग एल्गोरिथम जो कि एनकोड करने के बाद व्हाट द सोर्स फाइल इज़ गिवन टू यू, उसको एनकोड करने के बाद उसे एक अनकम्प्रेस्ड फाइल में बना देता है. एंड देन देयर कम्स द डिकोडर एल्गोरिथम, डिकोडर एज वेल, जो उस अनकम्प्रेस्ड फाइल को उसे ऑब्वियसली ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में तो लाना है कि वो कम्प्रेस्ड फाइल में पहुंच जाए, वो एक फाइल में पहुंच जाए, ओरिजिनल फाइल में पहुंच जाए. तो दिस इज़ द टेक्निक एंड दिस इज़ द शॉर्ट form which is given to the technique, that is codec. Codec is a word that is given to this technique of encoding and decoding of the whole process of data compression. So okay, taking the uncompressed file, making it a compressed file, then again taking a compressed file and making it to a decompressed file. This is all the technique of codec which I talked about. So the main softwares that are used for data compression जो आप use कर सकते हो on your mobile device, on your PC as well. There are so many actually. First I talk about mobile devices. There can be the apps that you want to install. MP3 compressor, there is audio compressor, video compressor, image compressor, and inbuilt बी कंप्रेसिंग टेक्निक्स होती हैं जो आपको अपने फ़ोन्स पे मिल जाती हैं, जिसमें आप जिप फोल्डर में से कन्वर्ट करके उसके जो फाइल है उसको आप रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. उस फाइल को यानी उस टेक्स्ट फाइल को, उस वीडियो फाइल को, उस किसी भी फाइल को आप, डेटा फाइल को आप रिड्यूस कर सकते हो थ्रू द इनबिल्ट फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ योर फाइल एक्सप्लोरर, जिसमें मेन फाइल स्टोर होती हैं आपके फ़ोन की. So okay, and on your PC you can use MP3 smaller, video smaller to compress your वीडियोस एज वेल एज MP3s एंड इमेजेस को भी आप कंप्रेस कर सको. WinZip is also a software that is used to compress your any file, any type of file can be compressed here. And I think I missed out to tell you about what is the lossless formats. So lossless format run length encoding आती है. Second is there is Huffman encoding, which is also the technique used for lossless compression. Lemple-Ziv is also a technique that is used for compression of lossless formats. So this was all about the data compression, the techniques that are used in data compression, the main categories that are involved in data compression, and how the technique, the whole codec is performed while we want to compress any type of file format. So if you do like my videos, please click to the subscribe button given below, and please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel The Learning Pen for more such tutorials and knowledge related videos on the channel that is Learning Pen. Thank you.